We are at Mirasol, Daman, and I have with me Pratish, who is committed to taking Mirasol to the next level of excellence, comfort, and he's a very health conscious person. And I'm going to present my juice which we have made. Hello Pratish.
Hi.
Please try this juice. It's made with some fresh spinach, green apple, honey and lime.
It tastes very nice. It got basil in it.
Yeah, it's got basil in it.
Taste is very nice and it's very healthy. So it hits you directly, it gives you that energy.
So you're getting some sweetness also in there.
Yes.
So that's basically green apple and a little bit of honey. And you're getting sourness also, so there's a bit of lemon juice also in there. Normally I make it also with some amla, but since amla is not in season, we didn't put amla. I firmly believe in promoting seasonal foods, promoting local foods, and conserving our culture and heritage. Thank you.
Thank you. So on World Spinach Day, we have Pratish Tandel of Mirasol Resorts and Chef Umesh Mattoo doing us the honors by presenting us this amazing, healthy, rich spinach-based drink. Thank you both.